Alright guys, so here we have this portable pressure washer. It's a 990 psi. It's battery operated. It comes with two 21 volts batteries. It's a 4 amp hour batteries. So you can use this on the go, garden. If you're camping and stuff and you need to use it, like sometimes I use these things. So whenever I go out to the beach on my skis and the boat ramp doesn't have water, I take my portable bucket that I have down there, take one of these and just rinse them out real quick. But let's go ahead, and it also comes with this little soap foam thing that you connect to it, so you can throw soap on it. So that's pretty cool. Again, here are the two 21 volt 4 amp batteries. Comes with the charger right here to charge the batteries. It comes with some different adapters. This is like a quick connect. Comes with some instructions here. You can go over it, but it's just self-explanatory. As you can see, you can connect this to a garden hose. You just got to find the adapters to it and all that. Here is the different settings on the sprayer. It's got the 0 spray, 40 degrees, 25 degrees, 15 degrees. And it comes with the little hose, the water hose, and the filter for it. So basically, this just goes in there. Wasn't in there good. So now it is. So you got plenty of hose right here. Forgot how long this hose is, but it's probably about 10 feet or more. Don't quote me on that. Just look in here and check the specs on it. Here is the portable spray gun, and it comes with some different adapters here that you could use. Another quick connect right here, depending on how you're going to connect it. So this just basically just twist on in here. Then believe which one connects. This one connects on here. So you just take this thing out, connect this end of the hose. This got strap on. I gotta break these. So as you can see, it's got plenty of slack. And you dump that in the portable bucket of water. Yeah, tangle up. Basically, you just pass this through the hose. Then you force this down in there with pressure. Then you screw this thing on. Charge the batteries. I'm sure they are charged enough so I could demonstrate. But now that the thing is in the water, it's gonna take some time to suck up all that air out and spray some water. As you can see, it's taking a little bit. But just be patient. There it goes. Then you can change. So this is just like a little spray. Then we got the 40 degrees. We have the 25, the 15, and then back to the 0. But yeah, so if you're interested in getting one of these, we definitely recommend it. Again, I do recommend charging the battery. Once you get it, charge it completely. Maybe that's why it doesn't have too much forward, but it does. I have these and used these before. But yeah. Highly recommend it.